Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video we have to solve another very interesting and challenging question from algebra. We have to find sum of all possible real roots. Here we have 44 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2025 in right hand side, which is a very big number. I will assume 44 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2025 equal to a. So we can write our equation x square plus 16x plus 48 in first bracket. In second bracket, we'll write x square plus 24x plus 128 equal to a. A is 44 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2025. Now if we will factor 48, we can see it is 12 times 4, and if we will add both, then we will get 16. Similarly here, if we will factor 128, we will write 16 times 8, and if we will add these two, we will be getting 24. So we can factorize LHS easily, which will be equal to x plus 4 times x plus 12. Then we'll write x plus 8 times x plus 16 equal to a. If we will find average of 4 and 16, so it would be 4 plus 16 over 2, 10. And if we will find average of 12 and 8, 12 plus 8 is 20 over 2, 10. So again we are getting 10. We will assume our substitution x plus 10 equal to suppose u. So we can write our equation in variable u. X plus 4, if x plus 10 is u, we will write here u minus 6. X plus 12 would be u plus 2. X plus 8, u minus 2. And x plus 16, u plus 6 equal to a. Now we will club these two brackets so that we can use difference of two squares identity and these two brackets. So we will write equation u minus 6 times u plus 6. Then we have u minus 2 times u plus 2 equal to a. A minus b times a plus b is a square minus b square. A minus b times a plus b will write a square minus b square equal to a. Now 6 square is 36, 2 square is 4. Let us assume u square equal to m. Square must be non-negative. So we'll write m should be greater than or equal to 0. So we have condition on m. M should be always greater than equal to 0. So our equation can be written as m minus 36 times m minus 4 equal to a. Now we will multiply and get m square minus 40m plus 144 equal to a. I will be using completing the square method. So I do not want plus 144 in LHS. So let us subtract 144 from both the sides. Now we can cancel plus and minus 144 from left hand side. We will get m square minus 40m in LHS, and we will write a minus 144 in RHS. Let me write here m square minus 40m in LHS, and in RHS there is a minus 144. Now coefficient of m, it is minus 40. Half of minus 40 minus 20, square of minus 20, 400. which we will add to both sides of our equation. Now LHS will give us one perfect square. It is m minus 20 whole square. So we will write m minus 20 whole square in left hand side, and there will be a plus 256 in right hand side. Now we will take a square root both sides so that a square from LHS will be over. Let me write here a square root sign. Let me write here a square root sign with plus minus on one of the side. Now we will cancel a square root with a square from left hand side. So there will be m minus 20 in LHS, that would be equal to plus minus the square root of a plus 256. Now we will add 20 to both sides of the equation. Let's add 20 in LHS. Let's add 20 in RHS. So plus and minus 20 will get cancelled out. We will write equation m equal to 20 plus minus square root of a plus 256. Now a is written over here. This is our a. So if we will calculate the value of a plus 256, it would be certainly greater than 400. Once it is greater than 400, this square root term would be greater than 20. That means 20 minus square root a plus 256 would be negative. As per our condition on m, we will accept only plus sign in between. 20 plus square root of a plus 256. Now m was our substitution, u square. So we will write here u square equal to 20 plus square root of a plus 256. Let me write here u square equal to 20 plus square root of a plus 256. Now we will take square root once again to remove square from LHS. I will write a square root. I will write a square root. I need to put plus minus sign over here. Now square root and square will get over from left hand side. We will write u will be equal to plus minus square root of 20 plus square root of a plus 256. Now u was our substitution, x plus 10. So I will write here x plus 10 equal to plus minus square root of 20 plus square root of a plus 256. Now we have to find x. So let us subtract 10 from both the sides. We will write here minus 10, minus 10. Plus and minus 10 will get over. We will get x equal to minus 10 plus minus square root of 20 plus square root of a plus 256. And a is written over here. 44 raised to the power 2 raised to the power 2025. Now we have two real values of x from our solution. Let me write here x1 equal to minus 10 plus square root 20 plus square root a plus 256, and x2 will be minus 10 minus square root 20 plus square root a plus 256. We have to find sum of real roots. So let us add x1 with x2. These two terms will get over. Minus 10 minus 10 would be minus 20. So we will write sum of real roots equal to minus 20. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck.